Vision. CTO's premier inclusive, globally recognized research and innovation, smart community, responsive and sustainable technological university. Mission. The university shall provide leading-edge degree programs, innovative, professional, entrepreneurial, and technical instruction, as well as research and extension programs that address both the needs of the region and the nation in the context of the global knowledge economy, fourth industrial revolution, and sustainability. Goals. By the end of 2025, CTU will be globally recognized for its quality speaking network, obtain a Philippine University System status with CHED, top level recognition, or as a voluntary rank among the top 10 universities in the Philippines, being included in the list of internationally recognized ranking of universities, including Macquarie, Raymond Times Higher Education Country University Ranking and World University Impact Rankings. Pursue efforts to pave way for the development of the new programs including natural science, Doctor of Medicine, transnational higher education, achieve world-class performance and excellence in total quality management, lead in innovation for the industrial revolution. Outcomes. Ensure relevant, effective, and quality education to achieve sustainable growth. Increase to quality education for the underprivileged students. Produce relevant research to promote economic, environmental, sustainable development. Expand community engagement. Strengthen effective and efficient management of resources. CTU all the learners and your earnest faith ensures our means to be truly free. Through our relevant to harness art and resource and your patience technology, we will march at the front in our against and make an heaven. Let us be and make an heaven. Let us be and onwards thought uncertain. With a boldness we set our course from a simple, ordinary flow. You bring forth an active force, learning, ever yearning to set out a new direction, ambitious goals from the generations that are yet to be fullness of life and dignity. It are one's future legacy for country and for university.